Hello friends, a day will come when people will appreciate you on your bad English. You are speaking the bad English language, your pronunciation is not good, you are not forming the sentences in proper way, and you are speaking the broken English language. But other people will appreciate you on your broken English, on your bad English language. Why? Right now, if you are speaking good English language and you are uploading your videos on social media, your channel is not growing, you are in beginning, and you are doing your struggle, hard work, and the society, those are living around you, not those are living far away, those don't know you physically, only those people who know you in proper way, you meet them in person physically, those people will not appreciate you if you are speaking the good English language, because they know you very well. What they know that you are not a rich person, you are a poor person, and your channel has not grown. They will never appreciate you on your good English language. If you speak proper English language, if you speak good English language. I'm talking about those countries where the English is not first language. English is spoken as a second language. And you know that the person whose first language is different and he is speaking the English language, that person is given the importance because he has the ability to understand, to know the other languages. But there are some congested kind of societies, you know, the congested kind of minds, those never appreciate you on your when you will do some good things, because they are jealous kind of people, they are hated kind of people, they don't want to see others while progressing. I'm talking about such kind of mentality is in underdeveloped countries. The countries those are not developed, there such kind of mentality is present, and people only appreciate you when you have the wealth, when you are a rich person, you are doing the wrong things. I'm puzzled by seeing the nature of the society or nature of the people in such countries, that if you are wealthy, you are doing the wrong things, they will support you, they will stand by you, and they will appreciate you. And if you are poor person, you are doing the right things, you are talented, you are eligible to do some things, they will never encourage you. Instead of encouraging you, they will discourage you. They will try to, I think, that divert your attention towards some other things. So such kind of mentality is in underdeveloped countries, in poor countries. Why they are poor? I think that this is the reason. They are not supporting their talented people. They are not encouraging their eligible people. In the result, they all are becoming failed. They are called the failed societies. So I think that where their people support each others, such as you are a talented person and others are supporting you, they know that you are a poor person and you want to show your talent on international level. For instance, you can speak English language, you have the talent of speaking English language, you want to show your talent on international level through social media. Right now, social media is available in your area, but the problem with you is that you are a poor person, you don't have any cell phone, you don't have money for internet packages, and if others people will support you, they can arrange for you a cell phone, they can provide you the facility of internet free of cost for some time, then you can show your talent. And when you will show your talent after your hard works, by luck, if you are a successful person, then you will support others. With your success, you will support others. When you will support others, others will start their work. When they will succeed, they will support others. In this way, a circle, a chain will become, and gradually and slowly your society will go towards the success. But if the people in your society have such kind of mentality that they never encourage others, they will discourage you if you have any kind of talent, then I think that how can you, such kind of society will grow. So I think that main reason of such societies or such families that they are not becoming successful in their work because they are not supporting each others. I have seen also in my society, in my family, that if anybody becomes rich in our family, he will never try to support other family members. Those are related with him. Instead of supporting others people, they will discourage them. This is the thinking in their mind that if other will become successful, then that person will be in front of me, and they don't want others to become rich because they want to set their monopoly in their family, in their society. So when the people have such kind of mentality, then I think that it is very difficult for such societies, for such families, for such countries to become successful very soon. So I am talking about English language, that when you are poor, you are a talented person, they will not appreciate you. But when you will become succeeded, when you will be successful, then they will appreciate you. They will show their sympathy in such a way that they never hated you. So I think that you should refrain yourself from such kind of people. They are not good people. They are the people I think that they will come with you only when you are a rich person, and when you will become poor, they will quit you. So the good person is that person who is with you in all circumstances, whether you are rich or poor. In all circumstances, in all situations, he is with you. So I think that you have also experienced such kind of problems in your society. Try to solve these problems and do your hard work. I think that one day, if you have the good passion, you will be succeeded in your whatever you are doing. Hope you find this video useful. In next video, I will talk about some other topics. Till then, allow me, I am Altaf Malik, and you are watching me on my English language channel. Thank you. Bye bye.